Hello everyone. Uh, Today I am here with the video on a simple regression analysis. In this short video, we will learn how to diagrammatically represent the regression equation and how to make chart using the data in the Excel. So first of all, as usual, we'll go to our screen, and then in screen you can see the data is given. Simple data is given just for the demonstration purpose. There are few data point for the advertisement expenditure borne by the company and in the millions, and the sales of the company in millions. One thing you should take care that whenever you are making any regression analysis, you are conducting any simple regression or multiple regression in Excel, the independent variable will be on the left hand side and dependent variable will always come on the right side, because it's in the default setting of the Excel that whatever variable is written on the left hand side, it consider it as an independent variable. So what you will do, you just select the data for making the diagram. It's a simple few step formula. So you'll just copy the select the data, and you will go to the insert tab. Within insert tab, in the chart sub tab, you will find a small arrow. You will click this arrow, and then you will choose this option. Okay. So you'll say a rough diagram is in front of you. So now we can add certain points into this, some details into this diagram. First, you go to this plus sign. Now this plus sign, you can see many options that what you want to do and how you want to do. First of all, I want to give a trend line to the data, and within trend line, what I want, since it is a linear regression, I'll go for the linear, and within linear also, I will get many other options. The first impression, I want to show the R square value on the chart. So you can see that in this chart, R square value is there. You can adjust it a bit, and then and then uh, you can also add various other details to the data. For example, again, I'm going to the plus trend line and more options, and within more option, display R square. And in case you want to display the equation on the chart, so in the previous video you have seen how to calculate this equation. Now in using this option, you can directly get your equation. Here it is clearly written that y is equals to 1.2248x plus 0.4838. So this 0.4838 is representing the value of a, which is coming somewhere here, and the value is y is equals to 1.2248. It is the value of the beta. So now we can add certain other details also. So let's say I want to get rid of this grid line, so I'll just remove it. And let's say I want to add certain chart titles. So in y variable, what value you have? You have this information regarding sales. So you will say sales in million, or uh, you can simply write like this. And then in y-axis, you have the data regarding to advertisement expenditure. Right. And again, this is in million. You can write it in million. So you can also change the caption of the uh, diagram as well, because this the name of the uh, this diagram is the regression analysis, or you can write the trend line. So what other details you want to add? It's in your hand. Like if you want to give the data labels, you can do that, but it will create a lot of um, chaos in this diagram. So I think this is enough information. But in case you want to add certain thing, so you can add certain kind of, you can play with certain colors and style. Let's see, you want to this have this color, and then maybe you can choose different colors. So I don't think so that it's going to add certain details, and our trend line is gone using this. So again, I have to add. In case your R square value is less, then you can try for several other kind of non-linear form of information. But right now, I am just putting it like this. So this is for the purpose of how to show your information on the chart, or you can just take it from here and then again you can show it somewhere again. Like again, I can go more options. Let's say at one point of time, I want this thing. Uh, let's say I want just R square here, and I want equation on the other side, so I can do that. So you can play a little bit about that uh, 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 with this. Again, the R square value has gone because I have just clicked it. And then margins are also, you can set your left hand side margin, and let's say I want to adjust this margin, so I can play a bit with this. Trend line, and then what I'll do, I'll just display this thing, and then I can take it to the side corner so that it is very much um, you know visible, so you can put it anywhere where you want. So this is how you can make your regression analysis diagram. Thank you so much.